First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app. Next, tap the DMs icon in the bottom right corner to open your messages. Now go to any conversation where you want to send a sticker. Tap the sticker icon next to the message box. You will now see different sticker categories, including GIFs, cutouts, and your recently used stickers. And if you are opening it for the first time, you may also see a message that says, drag and drop everywhere. Now choose any sticker. Instead of tapping the sticker, press and hold it. Without lifting your finger, drag the sticker anywhere in the chat. Once you're happy with the position, simply release your finger to drop the sticker. That's it. Your sticker is now placed exactly where you want it. If you want to move the sticker again, simply press and hold the sticker. Then tap Move. Now, drag the sticker to your preferred position. Then release your finger to place it. You can also resize the sticker by pinching in or out with 2 fingers. This feature lets you place and resize stickers anywhere in your chat, making your conversations more fun, creative, and expressive. When you are done making changes, tap the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner to save them. If you press and hold the sticker again, you will see additional options. You can add more stickers, hide all stickers in the chat, or even unsend it if you no longer want it in the conversation. So that's how you can drag and drop stickers anywhere in Instagram messages.